Okay, so let's get these cable ties off here, so that we can just start getting an idea of the difficulty to remove. We're only going to remove this shaft, so I'm just going to put this one aside. So let's just see. Okay, so there is a circlip on here. Just get my light here. So let's remove that. So I think we have to remove all of these gears, take the new one and reassemble it. So let's just start off with a circlip. Okay. I'm just going to keep everything in order. And there's like a, seems like there's a washer. Let's see, okay, there's just like a bushing inside there. It's like pre-fit. Factory fitted. Okay, and this one also just slides out, slots into those holes. Okay, now there's another circlip here. Just going to remove that one as well. Just want you to see it. Okay. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, it seems like you have to depress this one quite hard to get it off. Okay, then the next two will just follow suit. Okay, this one just comes this way. Just be mindful there is also a washer on this one. Okay, great. So that's basically the shaft removed. It's not the biggest of tasks. Okay, I'm just going to put this aside. Okay, now we can take out the new one. Very nice, shiny. Oh, it looks like a brand new part. Nice. Okay, I just want to get some oil. Okay, I don't think we have to add too much oil at first. I think let's just start reassembling the whole system again. I'm just going all back in reverse order. Okay, now I have to get the circular back installed. Seems like there's this thing on here. Okay, so that just needs to go on there. Seems like there's a small washer I didn't even notice. Here it is. Now let's just get that in the grooves and go back to the circlip gun. those ones you have to depress quite a bit. Okay, there it's installed now. Nice. Okay, and this is the next one again, and then basically the last one. Then just the washers again, and then the last circlip to be installed. Okay, so the whole assembly is basically complete. That didn't take 6 years. As you can see, they still mesh nicely together. So that one moves, and this one is the mover. And on top, it's similar. Okay, great. Okay, so but that basically concludes the axle install.